Color coding can help organize your project. And in this tutorial, I'll show you two ways that you can change the grid line colors in your Excel sheets. So the first way that you can do this is via your Excel options. Now with your workbook open, go to the File menu and scroll down to your options. Click on that. Once here, select the Advanced tab. Then scroll until you find the option that says Display Options for this worksheet. On this drop-down that you see here, you can select the specific sheet from your workbook that you want to change the grid line color for. And in this example, we're going to select the sheet named Red Grid Lines. And FYI, to change the grid line color for multiple sheets, you do need to do them one at a time. So make sure that Show Grid Lines is selected. And then here where it says Grid Line Color, you can click on this and you'll see the available colors. Also, as of this recording, there are no options to use custom colors in this method. You are limited to what Excel shows you here. So for this example, I want to use red grid line. So I'm going to select the color red and click OK. And now when we go back to the sheet, our grid lines are in the red that we selected. Another thing to note is that if this worksheet is later printed, any grid lines, it will print out in the new color. And if you like, for your color coding, you can also come down to the tab to change its tab color. So right-click on the tab, select tab color, and then select the color that's closest to your grid line color. So the next way that you can do this is by using the borders feature. Now this is going to be a better option if you want to be able to use a custom color. So like if you have brand colors that you want to use, for example. And because this is a formatting tool, you can apply it to only the sections of the sheet that are going to be visible, or you can apply it to the entire sheet, which is what we're going to do in this example. So we'll start by selecting the entire sheet by clicking on this little triangle at the top left of your worksheet area. And with all of this selected, in the Home tab in the Font section, we're going to click on the Borders drop-down. And we're going to go down to where it says Line Color. And just hovering over that option, you should see your available colors come up. Now you can select any of the colors available here, but I'm going to click on More Colors so that I can select my specific color. So from the tabs, we want to go to the Custom tab, and here you can use your RGB colors, but I have a hex code that I'm going to use for this. So I'm going to type this here, and for me that's FFC 907, and click OK. Now you're not going to see anything yet, but then when you go back to the border section and click on all borders, your grid lines will now be instantly colored with the color that you chose. And like before, I'm going to come down and change the tab color to match the grid lines. Thanks for watching, and for more tutorials like this, click on these links. Thanks.